Hello, here is the week overview. So Monday, don't forget to be working on your starters, and there's a link to the starter there. Then we're doing the RLC case study. Tuesday, we're finishing that up and also having time to finish any of the natural resource stuff that you haven't finished. And then the natural resource Adobe Spark project. This is what we're going to be starting on this week. So you want to make sure when you click on this to go to the project, there's a copy of a note sheet that you want to make sure that you copy because it has the information that you need. So make sure you get a copy of that. Sorry, I don't know why my computer's being slow there. All right. Then, so here, make sure you click on this, and that will give you more instructions and what you need to do. There are also instructions. This is what we'll be going over in class. So the intro to the project, how to research for your project, how to use Adobe Spark, and then how to turn in your project. So those are all online as well. So make sure that you are using those resources available to you. All right. And then we'll probably finish this project up on Monday. So we're going to start it on Wednesday. We'll work on it Thursday. You'll have time Friday assignment. You'll be working on it. And then Monday it will be due. All right.